Hi, today our class topic is website speed optimization and why important website speed optimization for our website and how to improve our website speed. Then let's begin. And suppose when any user or customer is taking a long time to load on our website, after click on it, that's our website is busy and slow. And that is the main reason we are not getting traffic leads, ads, impressions, and even enough conversion rate, or we are shortly called CPS, click-through rate. That's why our website is not ranking Google first position. Then now you can ask me how to rank and how to improve our website speed. Basically, this website is preferred three plugin. First is WP Record, second is Nitropack, and third is WP Optimize. You can use any one plugin, but I prefer WP Rocket is the cheap price and affordable. Even it is the best plugin in nowadays. Where even Google has still accounts, WP Rocket is the nowadays the best speed plugin, and therefore you can use this plugin. After that, download your plugin. Go to your the dashboard. After that, go to the plugin and click a new plugin. Then I show the upload plugin, click, and now I'm upload plugin and choose file. Then here is your store the file. After that, click on the file and click install. After this show your plugin. Then go to your plugin pages and optimize your plugin. After that, your website is grow your speed. I hope you can understand how to improve your website speed. Thank you.